Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can embed a Canva code on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a list that includes all of these sites that you've created before on Wix. So here in this list, go ahead and hover your mouse over the site where you want to add a code. So go into this one, click on select and edit site, and then you're going to be taken to your dashboard. Once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. And then here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site, and then just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for your Wix site. Once the page has loaded, this is how it will look like. And then here in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize your site. So right here, you're going to find the option to add elements, add section. You're going to find pages and menus, site design, add apps, and so on. And right now, in order to add an embed code, click on add element. And then here, go ahead and click on embed code right here. Click on popular embeds. And then here, you're going to find custom elements. You can embed an HTML. You can embed a site and so on. So we're going to click on add to site, embed HTML. And then this will be added to your site. So here you're going to find what do you want to add. You can either choose website address or code. And then here you're going to find the option to add your code. So just go ahead and paste your code right here. And then here you can type what's in the embed. And once you finish, click on update and your Canva code will be added to your Wix site. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.